We are presenting to you the third floor conclave at Srinath Ji. Your valuable comments, please.
2013 conclave is much smaller, but it is as interesting as the old conclaves. May the conclave Zindabad, and we come to Nathdwara each year exactly as a conclave, value adding being provided by the togetherness of seen in the conclave. I only hope that a lot of money is not given to shopkeepers in Nathdwara. But then again, I met a Muslim yesterday who told me कि आप हमारे तो सबसे बड़े गेस्ट हैं क्योंकि आप ही तो नाथद्वारा को चलाते हैं तो conclave please spend.
Yeah, because the guy asked
The economy of Nathdwara depends on these great ladies and their shopping habits.
Wow.
The spend was the conclave.
I wish we continue this for years and years, all of us gathering here, year after year, and me too, huh? In one form.
Or the other.
Mom, कुछ भी.
बहुत अच्छा लगा आप सबसे.
She says,
बोलो मैं bless करती हूँ सब
मैं
बच्चों
bless
को.
करती
I
हूँ.
said, or the other.
मैं भी आपके साथ आनंद में रहूं, आप भी हमारे साथ आनंद.
Blessings.
Blessings, always blessings.
अपने साथ में रखो.
Babies.
I'm having a very good time in this group. And I think we should do more of shopping so that the shopkeepers' families are looked after. Salute us!
Conclave.
She's giving your answer.
I'm glad, we came here last year, Rusha, and unfortunately she could not make it this year. But I've come here to get the blessings on behalf of her and for myself from Srinath.
We all know that she is residing at the feet of Srinath
And
Ji.
we are all blessed
God bless her.
शाम एक लाइन हिंदी में एक लाइन सिंधी में.
because of her.
Hindi Sindhi bhul gaye.
Abhi American
I'm just saying, we all are having a blast here, and it's fantastic to be with the family every year. And I hope I come here every year with everyone. Yeah,
And including
Tell Parag.
Cheers, cheers.
What about Parag Bhai?
He's busy in some park.
He's busy. Yeah, but I wish him. I wish he was here with me.
girlfriends.
He's dating all my girlfriends.
Your Parag bhai.
Yes, Parag bhai.
Awesome Darshans. Just loving it. Loving every moment. Thank you.
દાદા સુઠો દાદો સુઠો બહુ સરસ છે
બહુ સરસ છે. બહુ મજા આવે છે.
બાય બાય
Lai Changla.
લઈ ચાંગલા આમची મુંબઈ
इंग्लिश में रह गया. तूने 3 भाषा तो बोल दे लैंग्वेज.
Like hubby. Like hubby. Oh, the sunlight. No sunlight.
against light
Our visit every year in Nathdwara is the elixir of life. Last year when I came in, I was in a lot of mental trauma. But the kind of positive energy I got from the family. The whole family was praying together. 45 of us for Tanya. And believe me, that energy which Tanya got, today she's sitting with all of us. With all the love and affection. And the energy which was all channelized towards you.
Yes.
So,
That's
Let-
God
let-
is
Let's hear it. Let's hear it for Tanya.
Yeah, please. I couldn't have asked for more. I mean, I have my family
I'm touched.
here, and everybody said such nice things about Nathdwara and the family. But the darshans are great, but I still need my pudinaras, so.
With Tanya becoming perfectly okay by God's grace and everyone's blessings. And there are some few of our elders who are not present this year. And they'll be blessing us wherever they are, especially Usha Mami from above. My mother in her bed, hope she is better. And Manilal Jija, we are missing you very much. And pray that you are better next year, you will be with us. And Hari Mama, Kiki Mami, and Meera Masi, Kanya Mama, Kanya's family, Sarla Rani, son, Vasa Mami, the eldest of all our Bhatia Vittal Das family. With her blessings, I say namaste.
Sign off.
For a change, I will speak the least. All I will say is Jai Shri Krishna. I rest my case.
Mama, your turn. Tanya again.
I spoke now, don't make me speak again.
Okay, just continue. Yeah.
Sariha, this is your turn. On to you.
I would like to first acknowledge that this whole group composition is thanks to Mama. So 3 cheers for Mama. Had it not been for his, getting us all together, this probably conclave would never be there. And I just hope that in this composition, there will only be additions, no subtractions for everyone.
Yes. Next year the children should be added. First of all, First of all, I think I'm the blessed child to be born in the family of my Dada, Pujya Dada and my Babi in a Vaishnav Parivar. So for that we have got all the good sanskar of being together. Secondly, I today pray to God to bless all my elder brothers, my sisters, my jijas, my mummy, my babi, who are now not able to come and visit Nathdwara, and I pray to God that please give them blessings. Correct. And see that all of us do not come to that situation in our old age.
Wonderful, wonderful said. What about us?
Having a great time. Jai Shri Krishna. I blessed everyone. That's it.
I'll record.
I know I'm something.
Okay. Mama Shri, now you are on tape. Now it's turned on you now.
I think enough has been said. What can I say?
I cannot believe it.
I am at a loss for words.
You are never at loss of words when you
I
want
wish
to.
that this continues. I wish this continues in perpetuity. God bless you all.
Can I make one question on behalf of Conclave? Frequently asked in my mind, why are not our children participating? Why are only the adults participating in the conclave?
Yes, because today everybody...
Sir, please, question directed to the leader.
Who are the children who are not participating?
I can recount so many children, young children who are not here.
Schools are open. Well, I would like all the parents to,
next time
inculcate the values of the family.
Sir, show them the Facebook and what fun you are having.
And the importance of Srinathji as our big boss, big brother.
Because it shouldn't die
And
with our
benefactor.
generation, no? Thank you very much.